Hi everyone. So we are on lesson 3 of how to start a TikTok shop. We have set up the TikTok shop and now we want to add our first product. So our first product, let's assume it's going to be a water bottle with a box container that we're going to ship out. So the water bottle box and water bottle, we're going to set up here. We're going to assume that we're purchasing the boxes, we're shipping the labels, and we are perfect. So we're going to go ahead and start adding our products. Label as filter water bottle for travel, camping, and sports. Category is very important. So this would be, let's see if I can type in water bottle. So I'm going to put it under sports water bottles. Here we go. And now the brand, products with brand. Now warranty type, no warranty. Country of origin, United States. 1 per pack. You can put a warranty or you don't have to. Bottle feature, let's see if there's one that says with straw. Filter. Okay. Bottles. This one would be, let's say it's stainless steel. I know this one's plastic, but let's say it's stainless steel. Volume capacity, this one would be 32 ounces. And then we would add some product images. So you want to make sure that 600 by 600 pixels. I'm going to pull some that I have here. So then I just add So you select and then you just go ahead and upload those files that you have. So I'm going to add these 3 water bottle images. And you can also change backgrounds here. So that's why I'm saying TikTok Shop is so cool. I could be here all day. You can also upload a video of your product. And then you can do your description. So product description, filtered water bottle for sports and travel. Oh, okay. And then here we'll put, I usually just copy what there is in another. So here we'll add some product details. We're not going to enable variation. Enabling variations means that you have more than one item. So let's say if you have a pink water bottle, you also have a black water bottle. I would just select a variant as a color, or you could say a variant as a size. This one, we're going to say there is no variance. Okay, and now we're going to use, that's fine, retail price 10. Quantity, let's say we have 100. And then this is the SKU name if you have one. If you don't, it's optional. So I'm going to put 001. Now, shipping. This product weighs about, let's say, 2 ounces with shipping. And the height is about 12 inches. The width is about 4 inches. And the length is about, it's also about 4 inches. Let's put 5 inches and 5 inches. So there's the shipping fee. Now, if we had a smaller item and if it was a little bit less ounces as well. And that's how much the shipping fee is going to be. And that's going to be included in the price already. So here, you know, if it was a smaller item, if it's a little ring, let's say it's a 2 by 2 by 2, it's going to be way cheaper. So let's keep it how it was because this is going to be our little boxed water. And this is how the product is going to look on the TikTok shop. So let's go ahead and submit for review. Okay, great. So now we have our first product. Right now it is being reviewed. Our first product here, and it'll say it's being reviewed. Once it's live, you can start getting orders and you'll start seeing how many orders you've sold just here as well. So let's go back to the manage orders. Let's assume you already are selling orders and you want to get them out the door. Here's where you're going to see where you have to ship within 24 hours. So make sure you get that done. If not, they have the option to cancel that order, and then you are not going to be able to get that money back. Now you can also set up your terms if you're allowing cancellation, if you're allowing a refund without returning an item, you can do that as well. This is all under the fulfillment settings in management. And now we're also going to select shipping options, which I would select TikTok shipping, which is they're going to share with you the easiest and most affordable one. Or you could do the seller shipping. The seller shipping would be if you have like a warehouse or another partner. Media center. And here's where you're going to have all of your images. So if you ever have a bunch of images that you wanted to upload, you can come in here and upload all of them at the same time instead of having to look through everything. Okay, so now we're going to move on to marketing side of the TikTok shop and how these TikTok shops are making thousands and thousands of dollars per day. It's just like drop shipping, guys. Drop shipping back in 2017. That's how it is right now. So let's move on to lesson 3 and let's start selling some products.